Hey. Hey. Trevor.
What, Tony?
We're almost there. You good?
Yeah.
We got a lot riding on this one. We can't afford another screw up.
I got this. This the place?
Yeah.
I'll see you 5 after.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
No, I think that's it.
Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Jerry?
Thomas, nice to finally meet you.
Tom is fine.
Please sit.
I'm sorry I started without you. I had an early lunch. Can I get you anything? No, I'm okay. Thanks. Please don't be ridiculous. I'm buying.
How was everything?
Good. Where's Mike, the waiter from before?
He's busy at the moment. I'm filling in. Have you decided?
Yeah, I'll just have whatever he's having.
Coming right up.
So why don't we get started? Why don't you tell me a little about yourself?
Well, I graduated about a year ago with an associate's in business administration.
It says here you started working towards your bachelor's. Why'd you stop?
Well, I was approached by a company about a job opportunity.
What did they have you doing?
Just entry-level work. It's all outlined in there.
So why do you want to work for me?
I'm ready for a change.
Care to elaborate?
Let's just say I'm not feeling the same passion or drive that I once was.
And you think that a new job will change that?
I feel like a fresh start will give me a nice reset.
Okay. So why should I hire you?
Well, I've got a lot of great skills that would make me a great employee.
Okay. Do you have someplace to be? Am I keeping you?
No, sorry.
How'd you find this job?
I was referred by a friend.
Okay, I think we're done here.
Wait, hold on a minute.
Thomas, this has been a total waste of my time.
I'm sorry. I really need this job. I've screwed up. I've made mistakes. I don't think they'd take me back. Just please reconsider. Let's try this again.
Are you happy with yourself? Are you happy with your life?
Here you go. Can I get you a refill?
No, I think we're just about done here.